Welcome back to Tech ARP. Today, we are getting hands-on with all three retail colors of the new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. From left to right, you have the classic black color, which is called Graphite, the new hero color called Violet Shadow, and the sleek, off-white cream color option. Samsung is offering a fourth color, Green Shadow, as an online exclusive. Let's dive in with a closer look at the Graphite model. Samsung maintained the same 8.0-inch display with a 10-megapixel camera embedded in the display. Turn it around, and you will find a 200-megapixel main camera, a new 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, and a 10-megapixel telephoto camera with 3 times optical zoom. Close it up, and you are greeted by the 6.5-inch cover screen, which gives you an outer display that is almost as large as the Galaxy S26 Ultra. The cover screen has an embedded 10MP camera, which has remained unchanged since the first generation Z Fold. Now, let's take a closer look at Violet Shadow, the new hero color option this year. It's not visible, but the large 8-inch foldable display is now supported by a flexible titanium plate for added durability. Samsung somehow shaved the Z Fold 8 Ultra down to just 4.1 millimeters thin, which stands in sharp contrast to the chunky camera bump that's about twice as thick. Despite the shrink in thickness, Samsung actually managed to bump the battery capacity up to 5,000 mAh. While the Z Fold 8 Ultra is 0.1 millimeter thinner when unfolded, its folded thickness remains the same at 8.9 millimeters. When folded, you will find the USB Type-C data and charging port at the bottom. The volume control and power buttons are located on the left side. Up top is the CIMB tray. Finally, we have Cream, a soft, elegant matte white. Unlike the two variants with color-matched frames, Cream features a raw, unpainted aluminum frame. Under the hood, all Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra models are powered by the custom Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy. You get 12 gigabytes of memory with 256 gigabytes or 512 gigabytes of storage, while the maxed out 1 terabyte model gets a beefy 16 gigabytes of RAM. So, what do you think of the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra? And which color would you pick? Drop a comment below. If you enjoyed this hands-on video, hit that like button and subscribe to Tech ARP for more tech coverage. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.